For anyone following the news these past few months, it is almost impossible to deny the transformative impact of technology around the globe. Generative AI is an obvious example, but it is far from being the only one. Advances in computing, digital connectivity, biotechnology, and of course artificial intelligence reshape our daily lives and sometimes our entire industries. And when faced with this avalanche of technology, it is human nature to approach disruptive innovations with caution, as they challenge our understanding of our own roles in the world and they bring uncertainties about the future. Now, today more than ever, it is crucial to recognize that technological innovation acts as a catalyst for progress when it is managed responsibly. It is augmenting human capabilities and not replacing them. It enhances efficiency, creativity, and problem solving, allowing us to tackle complex challenges more effectively. This requires both the willingness and the ability to scan the future. Or shall we say today, to prompt the future. It means that as business leaders and decision makers, we need to have a vision of what's coming next and what will matter tomorrow. And this task becomes increasingly challenging as technologies progress very rapidly and grow ever more complex. This is the true mindset and the purpose at the core of TechnoVision 2024. TechnoVision serves as a lighthouse in this ever-evolving technology landscape. It is guiding you through the myriad of emerging technology trends to focus on those which will make your organization more effective. By articulating a comprehensive view of the world of technology, TechnoVision empowers you to craft your own informed vision of the future. A future where technology is elevating your possibilities to drive innovation and grow in your respective field.